Hey classes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about one of the most iconic heroes in Clash of Clans, the Archery Queen. If you have been wondering how to unlock her or how to level up her quickly, you are in the right place. Let's dive right in. At first, you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Open your Clash of Clans application. Before we get started, let's talk a little bit about Archery Queen. The Archery Queen is a powerful hero unit in Clash of Clans. She is a ranged unit with high damage, and she is an essential part of any strong army, especially in clan wars and when defending your base. The requirement to unlock the Archery Queen is to reach Town Hall 9. The Archery Queen becomes available when you upgrade your Town Hall to level 9. You also need to build an Archery Queen altar which costs 40,000 elixir. Once the Town Hall is at level 9, you can build the altar. This building is where the queen will be stationed. It's also important to note that Archery Queen requires elixir to be revived if she has fallen into battle, so keep your elixir stocked up. Once you have unlocked her, you can start upgrading your Archery Queen. Each upgrade requires elixir and cost increases as you level her up. The Archery Queen is a key hero for your base defenses and offenses, and unlocking and leveling her up is a big step in your journey in Clash of Clans. Once you have unlocked her, be sure to focus on upgrading her to make your attacks and defenses even stronger. And don't forget, patience is key when it comes to upgrading heroes, and this is how you get Archery Queen in Clash of Clans.
If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.